and guidelines kasi kung binabasa ko itong mga grounds for impeachment na in-outline niya ni Atty. De Jesus, ewan mo lang sa inyo bilang abogado at saka talaga namang naging kayo legal luminary na nga, mga kinukuha namin mga legal insights ninyo. Yung sinasabi niya, yung mga foreign intervention para doon sa pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Duterte, na sabi niya, bakit daw maging accountable daw presidente, alawing ang ating sariling kababayan na parang somehow ang ginamit niya pang term, kidnapping, tapos yung hindi raw siya fit to serve dahil sa drug addiction, yung mga ganon. Is that something na you feel na it will gain traction sa lower house?
Well, actually, Danny, in my capacity as chairperson, I do not want to preempt the hearing that we will be conducting before the Justice Committee. But at the very least, I wish to say that he who alleges has the burden to prove, no?
Okay.
Madali lang mag-allege. The question is whether or not you can substantiate the allegation that constitute the ground for impeachment. That is the question.
Ito naman kung nag-endorse nasagan din siya na ng ICI, one of those contractors, diba? Itong si Jeff Partilist Congressman ng Pusong Pinoy. Ano ho ang saloobin niyo tungkol sa kanyang pag-endorse dito? Bilang siya as partilist, Congressman.
Bata kay muna mula si Sara niya nino. Kailangan pa palitin madama pa na impeachment tanang wala man sila yung impeach si
I
Marcos.
believe naman that it is the prerogative of the House member whether they want to sponsor or otherwise, no? At ito naman yung karapatan ng may mga Pilipino na gusto mag-hire, impeachment complaint, or na mga House member na gusto mag-sponsor ng impeachment complaint. What is important for us is to do our constitutional duty. And that is to accept,
Ang kanang lang ilang style nga madilig-dilig